Eevee. Please welcome in Clown Action!
Start by pumping up your 260 brown balloon. And tie a knot. We're going to start by making a pinch twist. And then an 8cm bubble. And then a second pinch twist. We're going to make another 8cm bubble back to the first pinch twist. And then another 8cm bubble back to the other pinch twist on the other side. So now we have 3 8cm bubbles. Now we're going to make 2 4cm bubbles and tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. This is to make the feet. Now we're going to make 3 3cm bubbles and tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. This part is for later where we have to attach the ears. Turn the middle 3cm bubble into a pinch twist by twisting it. You can now cut off the excess balloon, but make sure to save that bit that you just cut off. Push all the air to the tip of the balloon and soften it up, and then we're going to make a 16cm bubble with that cut off balloon. Feel free to cut off the ends of the knot if it's a bit too long. We're going to turn that long piece of balloon into 2 8cm bubbles. Then we're going to tie it to that pinch twist at the back of Eevee's head. So now we have ears attached to Eevee. Feel free to hide any knots and wrap them around just to secure anything. And now grab your 260 ivory balloon and tie a knot. We're going to attach the end of the ivory balloon onto one of the pinch twists. And then using that ivory balloon, we're going to make 3 2cm bubbles. This is for the front fur of Eevee. Now soften up your balloon a bit, and we're going to make an 8cm bubble back to the other pinch twist on the other side on the back of Eevee. Make sure that this piece is slightly thinner than the other 8cm bubbles. And you can cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. Hide the knots inside Eevee and tie them around the pinch twist if you need to. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to grab a black marker and we're going to outline this curved shape on Eevee's ear. Feel free to look up a reference. We're going to repeat this onto the other ear as well. Then we're going to draw the circular eyes. Color the middle part in. We're going to do a little dot for the nose and a cute smile. And don't forget the little eyebrows. Next, grab a brown marker and color in the eyes. And lastly, a white marker to highlight the eyes. Isn't it so easy? And your Balloon Eevee is complete.
For our Balloon Eevee, please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye bye.